Hey guys, let's learn some more basic Python programs. First, prime number in an interval. Second, prime number or not. Third, Fibonacci using recursion. Fourth, Fibonacci using dynamic programming. Fifth, Fibonacci using arrays. Sixth, Fibonacci number or not. Let's do the programming. First, prime number in an interval. Let's do programming. Start is equal to 7 and is equal to 20 for I in range in parenthesis start comma and plus 1 colon. Then next, if I is greater than 1 colon, then for j in range in parenthesis 2 comma I colon, then if in parenthesis I percentage j is equal to 0 colon, break. Then next line, else colon print in parenthesis I. Let's save this program. Save as, give name prime.py. Save this file, then run module. You can see the output 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Second, prime number or not. Num is equal to 19 if num is greater than 1 colon, then for I in range in parenthesis 2 comma int in parenthesis num upon 2 plus 1 colon, then if in parenthesis num percentage I is equal to 0 colon, then next line, print in parenthesis num comma in quotes is not a prime number. Then next line, break. Then next, else colon print in parenthesis num comma in quotes is a prime number. Then next line, else colon print in parenthesis num comma in quotes is not a prime number. Then save this file. Save as, give name prime or not dot py. Then save. Go to run module. 19 is a prime number. Third, Fibonacci using recursion. Def Fibonacci in parenthesis and is a colon if n is less than 0 colon, print in parenthesis in quotes, incorrect input, then else if n is equal to 1 colon, then return 0, else if n is equal to 2 colon, return 1, else colon, return Fibonacci in parenthesis n minus 1 plus Fibonacci in parenthesis n minus 2. Then next line, print in parenthesis Fibonacci in parenthesis give number 9. Then save this file, save as, give name Fibonacci dot py. Then save this file and go to run. Then run module. You can see the output 21. Next, fourth, Fibonacci using dynamic programming. Start programming. Fibo array is equal to in brackets 0, 1 def Fibonacci in parenthesis n colon, if n is less than 0 colon, print in parenthesis in quotes incorrect input, then next line, else if n is less than is equal to len, in parenthesis fib array colon, then next return fib array in brackets n minus 1. Then next line, else colon temp underscore fib is equal to Fibonacci in parenthesis n minus 1 plus Fibonacci in parenthesis n minus 2. Fib array dot append in parenthesis temp underscore fib. Then next line, return temp underscore fib. Then next, print in parenthesis Fibonacci and give 11 number in parenthesis. Save this file, give the file name fibo.py. Then save this file and go to run. Then run module. You can see output 55. Fifth, Fibonacci using arrays. Let's do the programming. Def Fibonacci in parenthesis and then colon, then r is equal to in brackets 0 multiply by in parenthesis n plus 1, then next line, r in brackets 1 is equal to 1, then next, for I in range in parenthesis 2 comma n plus 1 colon, then next, r in brackets I is equal to r in brackets I minus 1 plus r in brackets I minus 2. Then next line, return r in brackets and if underscore name underscore is equal to in quotes underscore main underscore colon. Then next line, print in parenthesis Fibonacci in parenthesis int, then in parenthesis input, and then in parenthesis quotes enter the term. Let's save this file. Go to file and then save as, then give the file name fiboarray.py. Save this file. Go to run module. You can see the output. Enter the term. Give the term number 8. Then you can see the output 21. Sixth, Fibonacci number or not. Import math def is perfect square in parenthesis x colon, then s is equal to int in parenthesis math dot sqrt in parenthesis x, then next line, return s multiply s is equal to x, def is Fibonacci in parenthesis and colon, return is perfect square in parenthesis phi multiply by n plus 4, or is perfect square in parenthesis phi multiply by n minus 4. Then next line, for I in range in parenthesis 1,6 colon, then next if in parenthesis is Fibonacci in parenthesis I is equal to true colon, then next print in parenthesis I comma in quotes is a Fibonacci number, then next else colon print in parenthesis I comma in quotes is a not Fibonacci number. Then save this file, save as, give the name check fibo.py. Save this file, go to run module, then here is the output. You can see the output, just there is a 4 is not Fibonacci number.